Hey everybody, this is Chris with Overclockers Club. It's been a little while, but it's Nvidia time once again. It's always exciting to see something new from Nvidia. The 4060 series cards were the last ones we saw, and it's been a little while, so we are due for something new. So this is the GeForce RTX 4070 Super. Now this is just an unboxing video. We're not going to go into any details. We're just going to sort of show you what it looks like, and there you go. No surprises there. That's what I believe everyone was expecting. Now if we take this thing out of the box, and there's a little box behind there that has the power connector in it, and taking a closer look, you can see it is all black. It looks like there's some chrome around here. That's just the way the reflections are. It is pretty much all black from top to bottom. Has a very nice finish to it. And you can see the chassis size is the same as the 4060 Ti and the 4070 Founders Edition cards. So we'll get the power to this a little later in another video, and we'll dig into the details. We'll do some synthetic benchmarking as well as some gaming benchmarks, and see where this one really fits in the hierarchy. So stay tuned, and we'll get to drive this one around the block.